Hi, I'm Jacob from Nippon Genetics Europe. Today I'll show you how quickly and easily you can set up a real-time PCR experiment with our FastGene qFYR. So let's get started. From the starting screen, click Experiment Setup to start your experiment. Insert your properties such as name, instrument type, plastic type, experiment type, and chemistry from the drop-down menus. You can also insert optional information such as template type, DNA, or the sealing method, for example, adhesive. If you're done with the first part, click Next. In the Methods section, you can now set up your PCR experiment. These would include different PCR steps and stages. You can add and remove steps and stages by clicking the plus and minus buttons. Simply use drag and drop to change the temperature of each step. If you're done with this PCR setup, click Next. Now you're in the plate setup. First of all, define your samples and targets. Samples could be, for example, different tissue samples, and target different gene targets. So add your targets, select the colors, and also add the reporters. To add a standard curve, right-click into the plate layout and click Define and Set Up Standards. You can now define the standard curve with the number of points, replicates, starting quantity, and the dilution serial factor. You can now also choose the layout automatically or select the layout yourself by dragging and dropping over the wells that you would like to choose and click Apply, and repeat this step also for your second target. Now we can also add your samples. These could be, for example, different samples for your targets, such as unknown samples, negative controls, or positive controls. So add your desired targets, and if you're done with this task, click Next to get to the next section. In the Run section, you now again get an overview over all of your targets, and if you're happy with it, everything's correct, and you've also inserted your plate, you can now press Start Run. Congratulations, you've now finished your plate setup in just under 3 minutes.